Say goodbye to the heat without spending a dime with this simple homemade trick you can set up in just 1 minute. First, grab a wide, shallow glass container. Next, place several pieces of natural charcoal inside the container. Charcoal is known for helping absorb excess moisture from the air in enclosed spaces. Now add plenty of ice. 1 bucket of ice cubes is usually enough, but you can always add more if you want the cooling effect to last longer. After that, sprinkle a generous amount of salt over the ice. The salt helps keep the ice extremely cold for longer, so the cooling effect doesn't disappear as quickly. As the ice continues absorbing heat while it melts, the air passing over it becomes cooler. Now position a fan directly in front of the container, leaving a safe distance to avoid any water splashes. Turn the fan on at its highest setting so it blows air directly across the ice and toward you. Within just a few minutes, you'll notice much cooler air coming from the fan, making the area in front of it feel far more comfortable on hot days. This trick works best in small rooms or when you're sitting close to the airflow. If you found this tip helpful, save this video for the next heat wave.